When I first started doing YouTube 10 years ago, I used to use stuff like Trello or Notion in order to record my video ideas and keep track of all of the things that I wanted to post on YouTube. And while this definitely has its quirks and perks, nowadays I just like to use Fractal Video Shufflr. It's extremely helpful to use to store your ideas, and it also allows for you to plan new ideas. So coming up with ideas and storing your ideas has never been easier, especially since it's already in your video editor. So there's a couple ways to get to it. You can see here under more tools, there's the idea planner here. Then also over here under video editing, you'll see you have the idea planner. You can click this and it'll open up. But it's very, very simple. Just a basic interface here that will have your list of ideas, and to connect, you just go to File and Add. And here you can see there's a lot of different options, but most of them are optional. If you want it, all you have to do is enter your idea here, and then just click Save. You'll see your video show up here, and so you can always just come back and click the pencil icon here to edit it. You can add your thumbnail and various other things to keep track of this specific video idea. So storing video ideas is super simple now. You can also filter it, of course, and so that'll allow you to keep track of your ideas. Up here you have different views. So the default is just this list here. When you click it, you can see the details of that idea without editing it. But you can also go to calendar, and you can see that the calendar view also shows you ideas, and it'll show you what day today is. So if you go back to the list view and you edit it, if you change the published date, then that will add it to the list, or sorry, to the calendar. So you can see now your idea shows up here on the calendar on when it was published or when you want to publish it. So now you can very easily store any idea that you think of. Just open up VFS and open up the idea planner, come in here, add your idea, make sure to set a published date, and then you can keep track of when your things are going to be published. And of course you can also filter by stuff that's only been posted. So if you want to mark this as posted, you can just click that check here, and then if you click on the posted, you'll see all of your posted videos. And you can come back to these at any time, understand why it worked, etc. So that's storing ideas, super simple. So how do you come up with ideas? Also very simple. Just click the explore button here, type in whatever idea you want to explore, and click enter, and the app will start researching your topic. And so it'll start coming up with many different ideas, 33 in total, and it'll group it based off of what type of idea it is. So whether it's an anchor, cluster, collision, bridge. And so this will help you come up with ideas that are both, that'll help you get reach, as well as ideas that will help you give more information and knowledge on your particular subject. So you don't create, or you don't silo yourself, and you can actually grow on YouTube. So this idea explorer is very, very powerful. Highly recommend coming through and viewing the different ideas that it comes up with. Of course, when it comes up with an idea, you can always click add to idea planner, and it'll add it to your list, so you can keep track of that as well, and plan it and get everything going. So that is tracking ideas. Now, this is what I use over stuff like Notion and Trello or any other tool there is. I think this is going to be the simplest and easiest way to keep track of all my videos. And of course, you can always add different channels. So if you have if you have more than one YouTube channel, you can keep track of all of your different ideas very, very, very easily. To add a new channel, get out of the idea planner, you'd go over here to change active channel, and then you'd click add or change, and you just type in your channel name, and yeah, it'll add, and then you'll be able to select the channel from your list, and it'll also show up here in the idea planner, and you'll be able to keep track of ideas per account. No connection needed, just type in your channel and keep track of your ideas. So if you want to not connect something to a particular channel, if you just want to keep ideas separated, you can do that as well. You can organize it like that. But yeah, that is pretty much this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like on it. And I will see you all in the next one.